Hi everyone and welcome back to my weekly vlog. I hope you're all well. I got up early this morning and edited last week's vlog and scheduled it in, so that is done and dusted. Feels good to get that done. And I just videoed a brow video for L'Oreal because I've got a new brow product coming out, or that's already out. Yeah, it's really good actually.
You're allowed to say that?
And what?
You're allowed to say that?
Yeah. And yeah, and I think I might dye another wig today because I got sent 3 more wigs. Woo! So yeah, I might go to my storage unit, get some of my hair dyes that I've got there. I've got so many. Yeah, and I'm gonna surprise you. Oh.
Look at her little bow.
Oh. Yeah, look at her little collar. Are you looking for the cats? Are you looking for the cats? Where are the cats? You wanna come in?
Away.
Look at all the hair dye that I just got from my storage. So many cool colours. What do I pick? Woo! So guys, the colour's on. The wig, I filmed it all for you. Fingers crossed. It looks alright when it's washed out. How amazing is this jacket from Revolve? Literally in love. Also got this really cute striped shirt with the front like crosses over. I'm starting to prep my autumn winter wardrobe and I'm literally in love with this number from Revolve. It's like red leopard, really nice knit cardigan. Morning guys, so it is now Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. I don't even know what day. I do this every weekly vlog. Never ever know what day it is. I'm wearing my wig today. I'm going to London, so I thought I'd bust it out. Wearing it with a hat because I couldn't be bothered to glue it down. It doesn't look too bad to be honest, but I didn't want like the wind to blow. It's quite windy outside. So I thought I'd just put a hat on. But yeah, I'm literally loving it. It's so fun. Yeah. Guess what happened again this morning, guys? You can probably guess. Shadow's Willy came out again. He had an injection last week I think, or the week before, where it was meant to suppress his male hormones. It obviously didn't work on the horny little devil and his willy came out again, so that wasn't fun. So we had to take him to the vets this morning and they popped it back in. £93 later. Not good, not good. But he's booked in on Thursday for his operation. He's getting the something or other on his throat. He's getting his nostrils widened and he's being castrated. Yeah, it's just not good because it swells up a lot when it comes out and it's just not nice for him, bless him. So yeah, he's getting his operation on Thursday. Hopefully he's a little brave boy. Poor sausage. But yeah, I'm going to London today for lunch with Primark. Might meet Paige afterwards. Still waiting for her to reply back to me. But yeah, so pretty much a day of meetings. So, just got back from London, had a really nice lunch meeting with Primark. I had the tastiest lunch. I also was naughty and got an Oreo milkshake. Oh, but it was delish. But I just got back and I'm going to put some comfy clothes on, de-wig, and I might show you my order that I got from Boohoo. I'm doing another 3 ways to wear post for my Instagram and I'm going to be using some of their products. So here is item number 1. We've got this pink cord jacket. This super cute pink check skirt. Really, really cute little skirt design. This really cozy everyday jumper with a cute little red heart on the front. This really cool cropped black knit jumper. It's really slouchy design. Love that. The wig is off. Oh my god, I've got a massive line for my hat. Yeah, that was my little Boohoo haul. So those pieces will feature on my Instagram soon. I'm going to style them up as a 3 ways to wear post, so do look out for that. Guys, I'm dyeing my hair again. So I've collaborated with Feel Unique again and I'm doing a hair transformation video for them, and I've gone for split hair again. Oh my god, I've always wanted to go lime. I'm so excited to see how this comes out. I hope it's really vibrant. Yeah, this is the L'Oreal Colorista neon colours. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see. Guys, I'm so pleased with my hair. I've flipped it over so I've lost the parting, but it looks so good. So funky. I also filmed, so I filmed this today, hair dyeing tutorial, and I also filmed 4 hair tutorials with this hair. It looks super cool because I've tried to do it like symmetrical hairstyles with the middle part in. It looks so good. So they will be coming soon to my Instagram at sophiehannah. Yeah, and I just spent all day editing. It's just gone mental. Shadow's got his operation tomorrow, which is scary. But I hope he's okay. He has got to stay overnight now. Well, probably will need to stay overnight now though. So I've just been sorting that out today. Yeah, not good, bless him. But hopefully it goes okay. But I'd rather him stay overnight than him come back here and we're all worrying. And like if something goes wrong, or if he makes a funny noise and we think something's wrong, you know, at least he is taken care of during the night. So I think it's probably for the best, and then we'll can see him on Friday. But yeah, hopefully fingers crossed it goes okay. But we've got dinner tonight. We're going out for dinner with Robin's mum. Eating out again. Nothing different there. But we're going to Pizza Express again. So I'm probably going to have my pollo pesto chicken pasta thing, because I really did enjoy that the other day. Right, just quickly got changed and now it's time for din-dins. So just got back from dinner. It was a delish. And now we are going to watch some Netflix. We've been watching Mindhunters. It's a bit slow, but it is quite good. It's picking up, and yeah. Also guys, just noticed my nails. So if you watched last week's vlog, you would have seen that I used this Sensation Nail at home gel kit. And I'm so surprised because I did my nails on Saturday and it's now Wednesday. Not chipped, still super shiny. My nails have been growing so well. They've never ever been this long before. It's amazing. Yeah, really loving that. Really loving the kit. It's worked wonders. Morning guys, so it's now Thursday and we were up early this morning because we've dropped Shadow off for his operation. So hopefully he'll be alright. I think they're going to call us just after lunch to let us know it's gone okay. And yeah, we can get him at 6:30, but we don't know whether we're going to be able to take him home. We just got to see how he is basically. But
you might have to stay overnight.
Yeah, bless him. He'll be alright though. So Luna Petunia's on her own today. Oh my god, we just got some tile. No, what is it? Wallpaper. We've got wallpaper samples. Show us, show me, I'm so excited. Oh, okay. This one was a bit of a one that I just kind of wanted to see what it was like. I don't know whether I'd like it. It's quite cool though, actually. I like the metallic. Ooh, look at that. Next. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, that's cool. I think I like that.
I think you ordered the same one twice.
No, that's not the same. It's different plants. Or is that the same?
It's the same name.
Oh, they've given 2 little squares of it.
Yeah.
So you can join it.
Yes.
Okay, next. Okay, no, I like this one. That's really nice.
I think you're going to like this next one.
Okay, show me. Ooh. There's too much choice. I like this one still.
Okay.
I do like that one though. Oh no, I like this. Oh wow, that's like textured. That's so cool. I like that one.
You ready for the last one?
Yeah.
This is going to be your favourite.
Okay. Ooh. No, that was the one before.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was. Look, it's the same.
Where?
As... Oh no, it's that, but in...
Yeah.
Paige's wedding invite just arrived. How cute is this? She used a Cricut machine to make this. Ovs, so creative and DIY. So guys, I'm off to an Urban Decay event in London and I just used the Urban Decay Born to Run palette on my eyes to create this look. What do you all think? Also, how cute are these earrings from Primark? I'm literally in love. And they match my jacket. This is my outfit, if you can sort of see. Yeah, I'm gonna go to this event. Shadow is all well, he's great. He is in recovery, bless him, but the surgery went absolutely fine. They did it so quick. We dropped him off at 8:30 and they'd called us by 11:30 saying that they'd done it. So, bless him, yeah. So he's all right and we can go and pick him up at 6:30. But then we've got to drop him off somewhere else so he can have an overnight stay and be cared for, which is the best thing for him. So yeah, so bless him, he's in recovery. But I'm going to take Luna for a walk now whilst Robin walks me to the train station so I can go to London. But yeah, I'm literally only going to this event and then coming straight back because obviously I need to get Shadow at 6:30. But yeah, hopefully this event will be good. It is in collab with Skinny Dip. So yeah, let's go to London. So we've just arrived. Look who I'm with. Look at the Skinny Dip shop. It is so cool. So cool. Oh my god, they're so funky. So this is the event that I'm gonna head down to. Morning guys, sorry I completely forgot to vlog yesterday, but it was a bit of a rush after I got back from London because we went to pick up Shadow. He's all good, bless him. He had a little nose job, his nostrils are bigger. He's a brave boy, bless him, and he's been so cute, but we had to take him, so we had to check out of the vets and then take him to another vet's so he could basically stay over there. So he's stayed over there and been monitored all night. So hopefully he's been okay and he's not had any issues because he was sick when we picked him up at the vet's, first one. But yeah, hopefully he'll be okay and we're going to go collect him now. But I didn't get back until like 9 after the event. And then we couldn't bother to make dinner, so we got McDonald's. And Robin went to view the house that we're buying to take around a painter and decorator to get a quote, and we were both meant to go, but in the end I kind of stayed with Shadow and waited at the vet's for Robin to pick me up in the rain. It was a night. It was one of those nights where you're like, why did we book this in? But we didn't want to mess our friend round who was doing the paint and decorating, so yeah, it was fine. I stayed with Shadow anyway and kept him company. He wasn't really bothered that Robin was there. He wanted his mummy. But yeah, we're going to go pick him up now, bless him, and bring him home. Yay. Guys, I've not really vlogged much today, I've been back, but it's because I've been looking after Shadow. Did I even tell you that we picked him up? I don't even think I've vlogged since I got him home, bless him. So we picked him up. Well, yeah, we picked him up thinking we were going to bring him back home, but we had to actually take him to the vets because he had been sick throughout the night, just a couple of times. So they just wanted to check him over, but they were fine with him coming home. So we got him home. And yeah, he's not been too bad. Drank a bit of water, he's gone to the toilet a couple times, but he's mainly been sleeping, if I'm honest. He's been very needy, bless him, but he was sick once all over me. He literally projectile vomited all down my top, which it was gross, so I just cut my top off and put it in the bin. It's fine though, it's an old t-shirt that it was out of trends now, so I was like, I'll just cut it and put it in the bin. Yeah, so he's home and yeah, he's a poorly boy, bless him, so he's just sleeping a lot. But no, I've not really vlogged much because I've been looking after him and making sure he's okay, and then I've been doing loads of work, and yeah, it was 5 o'clock now and I've only just stopped, so gonna chill this evening. We're not going out. Want to just be with him and look after him and hope he's okay. And yeah, we need to give him dinner actually, which I need to soak his food and make balls. Could be interesting. Friday night fish. It literally is fish. Pesto crusted cod. Morning guys, so it's now Saturday and got up early. Well, I was up at like 5:30 because I could hear Shadow downstairs kind of retching. I've been doing that a little bit and he was sick yesterday, and yeah, we're taking him back to the vets today anyway for a checkup, so fingers crossed everything's okay and it's just like a usual after op thing. But yeah, I had a headache last night as well. I'm so tired now. Oh dear. Robin's listening to some crazy music. Today, Daisy's come around today. We're gonna have some lunch together, which is nice. I need to shoot some outfits today, but hopefully everything goes okay with Shadow. We're going to the vets very shortly, but his breathing sounds a lot better, and he seems himself. He's like running around playing with Luna and being a rascal. Like he's not changed in his personality or anything. But yeah, his breathing is a lot better. I'll see if I can show you. You're gonna breathe so everyone can hear you. So it's more like breathy now. And considering he's just been playing. Hey?
That's true, actually.
Considering he's just been playing.
He's just been playing. Usually he'd be going.
So guys, get the tag out. I just shot some outfits with Robin. I did a 3 ways to wear, and I'm just waiting for him to come out of Aldi. He's gone to get some lunch, and I'm gonna go home and maybe make a start on editing them. I'm so cold though. I've got bare legs in the car. It's freezing now. Saturday night takeaway pizza.
Hot.
We've got pizza, we're gonna watch X Factor and Mind Hunters on Netflix. We've got 2 more episodes left. I'm so excited. So guys, I haven't actually vlogged yet today. It's Sunday. Watch out, Luna. Basically, we ended up having to go to the emergency vets this morning because Shadow's willy came back out. Didn't think that was gonna happen after the castration, but yeah, so that cost me a little bit of money. Oh, but the vet, because obviously we told her it's been happening quite a lot. She told us it would take about 6 weeks for the testosterone to go down in his body, so it might still keep happening. So she just told us kind of what to do if it does happen again. To see if we can just do it ourselves at home, because it's costing so much money. So yes, that was annoying that we had to go there. But yeah, then I've just been watching telly, and we just went to Asda to stock up on some food for this week. We've got a HelloFresh coming tomorrow, and I just really fancied some scones. So that's what I've got. Oh, I've literally done nothing today. I've spent the day watching TV. Literally all day. It's been nice though, because I haven't done that for so long, and I literally, yeah, just done nothing. Just chilled with the dog on the sofa. Robin's working an overnight shift tonight. She's out, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. So yeah, thanks for watching this week's vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.